Hello and welcome back to Newsroom Nigeria. Ever since Tinubu's forgery has been exposed, or should I say, ever since his secrets or his history or what he is and what is not has been exposed to Nigerians, APC has gone into defense mechanism. As we all know, these people are always, looking for lies, to cover up lies. They are just always ready to supply you with lies. you know these people have gone into defense mechanism, and now they've started digging. Even they dug up history concerning Atiku, and it was discovered that Atiku in his WAEC certificate was bearing a totally different name from what is bearing now, Atiku. And I would say that does not sound strange, because I know that a lot of Nigerians can relate to this. A lot of Nigerians on the name they have on their WAEC certificate is totally different from the name that they are answering now. And I don't think, if you're in Nigeria, and I know that a lot of people are going to relate with this and understand. But before we go into the details of today's news, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell so that you can be the first person to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Help us grow this channel by giving this video a massive thumbs up so that it gets recommended to other YouTube viewers all around the world as well. Lastly, please leave your opinions in the comment section below. Without further ado, let's delve right into the details of today's news. Atiku used fake certificates to run for president, Tinubu tells Supreme Court. President Bola Tinubu has alleged that the 2023 presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, Atiku Abubakar, used fake primary and secondary school certificates to contest the last election. In a counter affidavit filed at the Apex Court on Thursday, October 12, 2023, Tinubu accused Abubakar of submitting fake credentials to the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, ahead of a presidential election. According to the affidavit filed by his lead counsel, Wole Olanipekunsan, Tinubu claimed that the PDP candidate bore Atiku Kojole on his primary school certificate and Sadiq Abubakar on his 1965 West African School Certificate and General Certificate of Examination (WAEC). Tinubu also contended that there is no guarantee that the former vice president was the man he claimed to be because of the inconsistencies in the names on his primary and secondary school certificates. He added, it is the first appellant acclaimed primary school certificate bearing the name Atiku Kojole and his purported 1965 West African School Certificate and General Certificate of Examination bearing the name Sadiq Abubakar, as opposed to the name Atiku Abubakar, which he claims to Nigerians and INEC to be his, that are yet to be explained by Jeddah Primary School, Adamawa, which he claimed to have attended, the University of Cambridge, Local Examination Syndicate, West African Examination Council, or such other credible institution with the capacity to do so. Now shown to me, attached here to and marked as Exhibit 9, is a copy of the said Sadiq Abubakar's 1965 West African School Certificate and General Certificate of Examination submitted by the first appellant. On October 5, Abubakar filed a motion at the Apex Bank to introduce fresh evidence of forgery that contained a disposition of Chicago State University CSU Registrar Caleb Westberg saying that he could not authenticate the certificate Tinubu tendered to INEC because the institution did not issue it. You all, let me have your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what are your thoughts. Let me know in the comment section. I respond to all of my comments. The situation is now about mudslinging. PDP is throwing mud at APC. APC is also returning with, the same measure. These people are just going back and forth. I feel that APC thinks that, okay, if you want to go by, identity not being the true person, let's also talk about the name you have on your primary school certificate. Let's talk about the name you have on your secondary school certificate. Atiku Abubakar has a different name on his primary school certificate. He also has a different name on his secondary school certificate, and is also bearing a different name right now, which is Atiku Abubakar. So I feel APC are saying that, okay, if you are going to present Tinubu's evidence that he did not actually graduate from CSU, and CSU are saying that they cannot authenticate the certificate he tendered to INEC, whether it was obtained through is it a secondary school? No, I don't mean secondary school. A subsidiary, whether the certificate was obtained through a subsidiary or through CSU itself, we cannot say, which means that that certificate did not come from CSU. And according to supporters of Tinubu, they have said that, in the abroad, you can obtain certificates from a subsidiary that is not the school. You can obtain certificate from the subsidiary. And on the other hand, some people have also said that though you can do that, but that doesn't mean that you should present those certificates as true copies. Those certificates are just meant for decoration. That is, probably you want to blow your certificate out, you want to enlarge it, you want to place it on the wall in your house. That is what it's meant for. It's not meant for you to go ahead and use those copies that you get from a subsidiary. You even have them online and everywhere in the abroad, though. That those kind of certificates are just meant for decoration and not something that you can present for a job offer or for anything serious like that. You all, let me have your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think? Because I feel that at this point, all this evidence, maybe the court will just throw it out last. Because we are in Nigeria, we all know how it goes. Mistake happened on certificates. In fact, we have so many people that this same thing that, has affected Atiku has also affected in Nigeria, where, these names, when you are in secondary school, primary school, you do not really know the importance, you do not really know the significance of changing names and mixing names together until you have your WAEC certificates and everything does not match and you start to have problem. Well, you all, let me have your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you very much for always listening and watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye for now.